Hello everyone, today our topic is about protection. How to protect our workbook, worksheet and our work, more importantly. So here we have three ways we can protect our workbook or worksheet. So the first one, when I come here to the file and here in file, the first one, protect workbook, we have this one. So when I click here, we have many options here. We have here protect current worksheet. We can protect our worksheet. We can protect workbook structure. So the workbook structure is very important whenever we use the 3D formulas. So it's very important. And here when I come here to save as, when I click on save as here, for example, I save this here in this folder, and here I have this option tools. When I click here, these are four options. When I come to this one, to general option, when I click here, you can see here we have password to open, so password to modify. Here sometimes we allow other people to open our work, but if they want to bring changes, they cannot make changes to our work. Here and here for the password to modify. So here when people can open our workbook, but they can't bring changes here. So if they want to bring changes, they have to know the password. I just write here PASS and okay, and I should repeat that here PASS and okay and save. Yes, okay. So when I go back and close my workbook, I just want to open this again. Enter password for write access or open read only. So if I just click here, I can just read this one. So here you want to read only or no, just want to write the password. I just write password PASS and okay. So yes, now I can bring changes here. And when I come under review, we have protect workbook and protect sheet. So for workbook, it's just we can protect the structure of our workbook. So when I click here, you can see, I can take this one, I can insert my password here. I just insert password here. Or if I don't want to insert password, just type here okay. So when I come here, I want to change its place. You can see I can't change it, I can't move it to left or right. So when I want to remove this, I just come here and click on this. Now I can move my worksheet. So the next one is protect sheet. So here I have many options here. When I click here, you can see we can select unlock cells and here we can, when I untick this one, when I tick here, I can do those things, but when I uncheck this, I can do, for example, select lock cells. So I just want to, no one can bring changes to my work, so no one can edit it. So I just click here okay. When I come here, you can see I can't do anything, it doesn't work. Yes, you can see the cell or chart you're trying to change is on protect sheet. Okay, you can see I cannot bring any changes. So that's it about protecting the workbook and worksheet. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.